Hi, it's Donna Guest, Creative Memories Advisor and Lazy Scrapbooker, and I want to show you how to create this super easy layout using just one piece of paper. You'll need one sheet of 12 by 12 double-sided paper where the two sides can really go together. You'll need one white piece of cardstock or paper, or you can just do this on a regular scrapbook page. You'll need your 12-inch trimmer, scissors, and a tape runner. And I'm going to use my repositionable, that's the one with the green, because that way if I make a mistake, I can easily move it around. First, we're going to fold our double-sided 12 by 12 sheet of paper in half, making sure to make the corners match. Then with our trimmer, we're going to trim this from corner to corner. So let's put it diagonally this way. Now with the Creative Memories 12-inch trimmer, it is a perfect trimmer, but because this is so long, it really won't all fit on at the same time. So we're going to do the best we can and then trim the rest with the scissors. All right, so I'm going to use these sight lines, and if you don't know what those are, definitely check out my video in the top right-hand corner for my 20 favorite features of the 12-inch trimmer, because these are a hidden gem right here that a lot of people forget about. But that will make sure that you're cutting right where you're supposed to cut. And I see from the sight line, I need to slide this over a teeny bit. Okay, so now I'm going to cut it, and it didn't go all the way to the end, like I said. So what I'm going to do is just with my scissors cut to the corner, easy enough. And then I'm going to turn around and do it here too. It's almost there. There we go. So I'm left with this. I've got two triangles, and then I've got this one big triangle here. Now when we put this together, I really like the effect of showing the white line behind this. So to do that, since this is all one full sheet of paper, I'm going to trim a little off of both of these smaller triangles. So I'm just going to do a 1/8 inch border. I really like a 1/8 border. So with that, I'm going to come over here to that next cutting line, and that's my 1/8 measurement. And then we'll trim this off because again, it's a little bit long for our trimmer. But at least the trimmer is small enough to be portable. If it were any bigger, it'd be hard to carry around. All right, so then I'm going to trim this other one, 1/8 inch off of this one as well. And we'll trim those edges. Okay, now we're ready to assemble. I don't use a lot of tape runner, but a lot of people like to really make sure the corners attach so they don't peel up. Of course, once you put a page protector down over it, it's okay. And then, because the way this is cut, these will just fit perfectly right here with that 1/8 inch border, and you get the contrast of the other side of the paper. So you'll see why you need to use a piece of paper that you really like both sides. Now, of course, you could do this with two separate pieces of paper and just use this whatever patterns that you want to use. I just did it this way so that I can use as little paper as possible. I'm acting like I don't have a hoard of paper here at my house. I have tons of paper. It's so easy, and if you enjoy making fast pages, be sure to hit like or subscribe to see all future videos. Thanks for watching.